Tell me how could I forget when nobody had noticed? How would I? I told myself that I've been fooled.
Damn scared.
How can I forget about what happened and nobody noticed? I never come to nobody, so that's why I wrote this. I can see straight through the lies and that shit make me focus. I be on point, you know this. You understand this, understood, I shouldn't even have to show this. All day try to do me bogus, and it's all good, I don't care. How you say you ain't got nobody, and the whole time I'm there. I'm with whatever I dare. Only get shook, I see the boys, I swear I'm never scared. I open my eyes and I seen that the real shit is rare. I opened my eyes and I seen that this life shit unfair. Yeah. Stick to the code by any means. I swear I take the chair. I swear that I'll take it. I think I'm too real for these niggas. Hell no, I can't fake it. You can't build, you can't make it. See hella risk up in this shit. If you want it, then take it. These niggas lost up in this shit. They'll fake it to make it. I see a face, I catch a face, that's on bro, I'ma Drake it. I'ma leave this shit on scene. You can't believe everything that you see pop on your screen. Niggas dirty, not clean. I know this niggas quick to change once they feel the stain. Gotta stay down with a young nigga, believe in his dream. Anybody that done gave up one part of the team. Yeah. I swear I be feeling ace, no one know what I mean. I swear I love the drugs, I swear I miss lanes. Yeah. You know I'm quick to hop out bug, big I got a bend. Tell me how can I forget when nobody had noticed?